How to add fonts in Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to upload or add fonts into your Wix website. We're going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and then we are going to choose the website. So once we have did that, what we're going to do next is going to be very simple. We're going to click on design site on the setup or the home page, and it is going to show us the website that we run. Now what we're going to do is to head over here and we're going to add a text. This is going to be, let's say, a from scratch tutorial. I have already some text, but I'm going to add a text. Let's say that we do not have a text, or we do not have things. I'm going to drag and drop a text here. So this is as you can see, a lonely text. We're going to double tap on it, and as you can see, we're going to find the text right there. So we are going to choose the style of the text. As you can see, we can have the preview of it like this, like that, whatever you want. Now for the font, it is going to be clickable. Click on this, and then you're going to see on the screen a lot of fonts, thousands, maybe hundreds, not thousands, not to be exaggerating, of fonts. And we have upload fonts. As you can see, this is the magical button. So we are going to upload fonts with the, as you can see here, format of TTF, OTF, WOFF, or WOFF2. So how we can get these fonts? Basically, you're going to head over Google and click or type in on Google fonts, for example, to download. For example, like that. You're going to find that font, Google Fonts, whatever fonts, also Adobe Fonts and whatever. You're going to download the font itself. For example, that font. I'm going to download any font that I'm going to choose. Maybe this one. Click on download. Here you have it. You're going to unzip it, and then you're going basically to have, as you can see, the font here. We are going to find the format. We're going to put it here. So it is going to be uploadable here. Please let me upload. So just like this, and here you go. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.